Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use the Wise Travel Money Card step by step and super easy. Let's get started. Step 1, order your Wise card. Log into your Wise account, go to the Cards section, and tap Order Card. Enter your shipping address, choose your preferred design if available, and pay the small issuance fee. Step 2, activate your card. Once your physical card arrives, go back to the Cards tab in the Wise app and select Activate Card. Enter the last 6 digits printed on the card and set a PIN if prompted. Step 3, top up your Wise balance. To use the card, you need funds in your Wise account. Tap Add and choose your preferred currency, for example USD, UR, GBP, and top up using your bank account, debit card, or Apple Pay. Step 4, spend like a local abroad. Use your Wise card in stores, online, or at ATMs around the world. It automatically converts your currency at real exchange rates, no hidden fees. Step 5, manage your card from the app. Inside the Wise app, you can freeze or unfreeze your card, change the PIN, track spending, and set usage limits for extra security. Pro tip, always choose to pay in the local currency when abroad. Wise will handle the conversion at a better rate than most terminals. That's it. You're now ready to travel and pay smart with your Wise card. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy-to-follow guides. Thanks for watching.